Hi everyone, this is Adam from ESA. Today I'm coming to Guangzhou Luckydoor Electronics Limited Corporation for visit their production line and the factory. Now follow my lead and I will show you more details of this company. Now let's move to our R&D department for researching and developing of our products, as well as solving the client's problems.
We mainly produce and develop all kinds of barcode scanner equipment. Our company is a high-tech enterprise focusing on barcode scanner, including research and development, production and sales, as well as after-sales service of barcode scanner. And we developed and manufacture all kinds of barcode scanner.
Here is our Ministry of Foreign Trade Department. We work very close so that we can communicate with each colleague very efficiently.
What's more, the quality of our products are guaranteed, as have passed EU, FCC, and ROHS certification.
And here is our workshop. We have professional workers to charge each component of the products.
This is our injection molding process. Injection molding of handle, cover, and housing parts. This is our debugging process. After assembling the laser head, mirror, and other key components for PCB, check whether the engine board can read the testing codes and whether the performance can work. This is our assembly parts. All parts of product shall pass the process instruction and operation quality requirements. Assemble the parts. This is test components of products for the various equipment and test the life of products in different environments and test the performance to meet the delivery quality requirements. For the aging rack and data cable, test whether the product can be charged normally, whether the battery is bugging, damage charging phenomenon. Test whether the product function test is normal in the charging process. Packaging before shipment. We will retest and clean, label and pack according to customer requirements.
And here is our warehouse. You can see all the products have been packed and ready to deliver, which means we can deliver the products as soon as we confirm the orders.
In the warehouse, you can see semi-finished products and finished products are sorted neatly. In this part, I will show you our all kinds of barcode scanner. Let's show our some high-performance desktop barcode scanner K928 and K929H, which is suitable for supermarket. There are some cost-effective barcode scanner in hot selling, mainly application at retail store. L500, L600, K620RB, W620RB, K626, and etc.
Alright, that's pretty much about today's video. Thanks for your watching. If you have any inquiries, please feel free to contact us in any time, and I will put the website in here. Hope to make friends with you for the cooperation. Thank you.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.